God, I'm so tired. I just want somewhere to rest without these engines bothering me. Why are they even here? They're here because of something. I'm not entirely sure. I heard it from your fireman earlier this morning.
Well, it was raining hard. Water had swirled under my boiler and I couldn't see where I was going. But I struggled on.
Well then, Percy, you really are a brave engine. Yeah, I agree.
Well, it wasn't anything really. Besides, water's nothing to an engine but
Hey,
its
what are you
germination.
engines doing here? This yard is for the Fat Controller's engines only. Bugger off. Silly things.
They aren't silly. I am not silly. I was enjoying myself and I scared them off.
They aren't allowed on the Fat Controller's railway. They are outsiders, you prick.
Morning, God's name is going on over there.
And there's another thing. You're always such a nuisance whenever...
Alright, that's enough. You both need to stop breaking right now. I can hear it all across the goddamn yard.
Henry's being a
And
jerk.
first, you need to get your ass back to work. Henry, these engines were here because the Fat Controller got something big planned. And he needs all the help he needs.
But where do I go?
There are goods trains waiting for you on Thomas Branch Line, so keep going.
Oh, alright, I'm coming. Once an engine attached to a train was afraid of a few drops of rain. And into a tunnel that squeaked through his funnel.
Idiots.